Hey guys, how are you all doing? Hope every one of you watching this video right now is doing good. Myself Agnev Maiti and I welcome you back to our YouTube channel. So today I'll be discussing about a quick update on a very good ownership company. With the help of the thumbnail of the video, you might have already known about the company which I'm going to talk about today. The company being Mediterranean Shipping Company, also known as MSC. So before I quickly move on with the video, I would like to tell you something about MSC. MSC is a very good ownership company. It's a very good container fleet company all over the world. It has a very vast fleet and it recruits in bulk in India, and also it has a very less waiting period. So the official recruitment drive for MSC for this upcoming August 2024 batch are out. It is out for DNS cadets as well as BTech Marine Engineering cadets who want to pursue DNS and BTech Marine Engineering with sponsorship from MSC. They can apply for this if provided if you are eligible, which I'll talk about it in the later stages of this video. So before I quickly tell you about the eligibility criteria of MSC, I would also like to mention that the registration process or the registration window is already open. It has started from 6th of March and it will extend up till 14th of April. So if you are I would recommend you to totally go for this company and fill the forms if you are eligible. Okay, now coming to the eligibility criteria of Mediterranean Shipping Company. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this company, like most other companies. And also for 12th marks, you have to score a minimum of 65% aggregate in your PCM, and also 50% minimum of 50% in your English in class 12. Okay, coming to some medical requirements mentioned by MSC, you have to have 6x6 eyesight without any visual aids, and also no color blindness will be entertained. No, any kind of color blindness will not be entertained in MSC like every other company. Candidates who are waiting for their 12th results are also eligible. It means appearing students who have just cleared their 12th board examinations are also eligible for this company. And also if I talk about the age criteria prescribed in their site, less than 19 if you're a 12th pass out, and less than 21 if you're a BSc graduate, like BSc in science graduate. Now coming to the timeline offered by MSC, it's very simple. You apply for the MSc sponsorship process online, then you sit for the written examination in online mode, then you appear for its interview in offline mode, then you are allotted a college after you give your medicals and psychometrics, after you get your medicals and psychometrics done. Okay, so the online dates for the written examinations which you can choose, like MSc has given you a window to choose in between these prescribed dates. The dates are from 22nd of April to 29th of April. You can refer to the official brochure or pamphlet as well provided by MSC. So the online examinations, the written examinations will be conducted in online mode, and there will be various specifications provided by them in the mail itself, and also it will be a proctored examination, so you better watch. Okay, coming to the last segment of this video, there are many students who are very curious, where does MSC send their cadets to? So MSC sends their sponsored cadets to various institutes like TS Rahman, and the majority students of MSC are sent to a very renowned institute in Greater Noida, also known as IMI Noida, International Maritime Institute, Greater Noida. So that will be it from my side for today. If you have any doubts regarding MSC's written examinations, interview part, anything regarding MSC or any other company or IMUCET, you can let me know in the comments down below. And also if you want to interact with sponsored cadets who have cleared their examinations and are sponsored from companies like MSC Synergy, what I will do is I will provide you with a link in the description box below. You can fill it out, and it is free of course. You can fill it out and you can reach out to us. We will surely attend you and help you out with all your doubts. So that will be it from my side. Stay tuned for the next informative video. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMUCET and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your mariner journey with us today.